Uh, Hello everyone. I'm Bruce Wen. I'm going to give a general introduction to my Something Awesome project. First of all, the main content of this project is to use MATLAB to generate pieces of pure music, and I will use code to build several filters for filtering and assess what effect this will have on audio signal. And you can see this is my code. Now I want to introduce the first part. So in order to make the music I generate more beautiful rather than just simply electronic sounds, I took into account the different notes and beats in the knowledge of music theory. And I use the function of MATLAB to represent each note appearing in these pieces of music and then combine them together. So in this way, I can make the Sky City I generated more like a real piano performance. And then I just artificially produce random noise like here, no here, and try to overlay the noise with the original audio signal. Next, I first use an ordinary truncated filter to filter. After passing the low frequency filter, I found that the original audio signal had a more obvious contour. Similarly, after high frequency filtering, I found that the contour of the noise signal is more obvious, which to a certain extent shows that the original signal is more consists of some low pass, low frequency components, and the noise signal consists of many high frequency components. And now I will run my code. Yeah, and you can see. This is my original signal, time domain. And this is a noisy signal. And this is the noisy signal. This is the signal I combine the original signal with noise signal. As you can see, there are more like noisy components here. And this is the time domain plot after I pass the normal low pass filter. And this is the time domain plot after the high pass filter. And you can see this is more like the original signal, and this is more like the noisy signal. So next, I artificially produce. So next, I use Butterworth and Chebyshev filter for further filtering. So in general, you can see this is the time domain plot after Butterworth low pass filter, and this is the time domain after the Butterworth high pass filter. In this one, the signal more like the original signal. And for this, seems no significant difference, but I think the performance of Butterworth has definitely better than the normal one. So this is the Chebyshev. This is the plot after I use Chebyshev low pass and high pass filter. I think Chebyshev has the best performance in this project. As you can see, the time domain plot obtained after low pass filtering is basically the same as the original signal plot. Such as the amplitude is within -1 to 1, and the overall look is almost identical to the original signal. And after the high pass filtering use Chebyshev, as we can see, the noisy signal, the signal is almost identical to the noisy signal. includes the amplitude and the overall looks. So I think my project is successful because I almost succeed in separating the overlapped original signal from the noisy signal. In other words, I just separate two mixed components. Yeah, that's all. And also, if you guys want to obtain more information, you can just send me email, and I can just share with you my portfolio and my code. Yeah, that's all. Thanks.